Okay, here I have the explanation of how this adventure game works and code works. At first we have of course this adventure CPP from where we made that new game, and we find from game that play, and in play we have the main code where everything happens, and first we introduce and so on, and then we find at first when we create that game we made a new text render which renders our output, and then there is making those rooms and how they are set, which one is in north and which one is in south, and so on. And over here we have then player statistics, get it from a text file, and then by using command factory, this command factory have how did I do it? Sorry. In that command factory there are few things. It takes the command and how did I say? Find out what to do. Is it quitting, searching, attacking, moving, and if it's moving, where it is moving, and so on. And it is implemented from iCommand interface, and that iCommand interface had to have execute virtual command, function, function, and over here there are it is not implemented in here, but in jumps over from to where is, for example, at a command, where is that execute, and what execute is done, there is made it, for example, attacked, and so on. And the same thing is with renderer. There could be different renderers, and that renderer is over there doing abstract virtual function, and that made it is an interface. It cannot be used by that way. And the rooms are separate things where there have to be where there are description is set, and then it is a class. Every room is a class inherited from public room, and what the room contains, there are a lot of things, and it is have to be updatable, as the updatable is also the game objects are as well updatable, and room are a different kind of game object. It's a location, and with room there are no in fact abstract functions, but there are, as the updatable have abstract function update, so it have to be every child class have to have the update, but as we see, the room itself don't have the update, but so on the room itself cannot be created, but classes which are inherited from the room have to be update command. So on then for example, monster room has enemies. I'm sorry, I have update, and it had an enemy from there, and if is alive and notice set player is true, then we print it over there and attacked to player and so on. And then over here there are globals directions, which only contains enums, and from there we have those direction to everywhere, those enums. And for example, we have, let's see, game, yeah, this was looking for. Over here we have those rooms IDs made by enums. So forth we can have how many rooms there are and made a array, pointer array from that. And then as we add the new rooms over here, then we can we create new pointers, how did I say, pointer array as big as the room has. And then there is also search command, where we can find a gold as well as we can get keys, stackers, or different things from here. That was quite it. And of course we have a player, which player have hit points, as well as the enemy has hit points, different enemies. And then there is a attacked command from, and there is also, because player are, as we can see, player over here, player h.h, it have to be update, because it's updatable, but there aren't. And in fact that update is over here. So the game object itself is an update datable, and game object is an attacker too, but update itself in game objects CPP file doesn't do anything right now, like that. Okay, that was quite it. So we can now move on and let's continue to make the program further. Thank you.